Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your 3D asset for Ark Asa immediately. First, freeze transforms and apply scale so the game reads correct units. This prevents physics and attachment errors. Once done, simplify topology to a practical triangle count and decide LOD thresholds early. This matters for performance and visual consistency. Make sure UVs are clean and packed inside the 0-1 space for efficient atlasing. Export as FBX with smoothing groups and tangents. This sets the foundation for a clean mesh import into the Ark toolchain. You now import your FBX into the Ark Asa editor and immediately check scale and orientation. Incorrect axes break attachments. Next, assign the right skeleton or mark it static so animations don't distort the mesh. Once set, create materials using base color, normal, and roughness maps. Pack channels where possible to reduce texture count and improve performance. Then generate collision primitives or a convex hull tailored to gameplay. Collision precision affects movement, item pickup, and server CPU, so balance accuracy with simplicity. You finish by baking final textures and exporting optimized LODs and mipmaps to preserve quality at distance. Then test in-game, spawn the mesh, attach items or riders, and validate collision and shadow behavior across client and server builds. Once done, profile performance and confirm network replication. If something goes wrong, first recheck scale and pivot, then verify normal orientation and material channel order. Also inspect collision overlaps and read engine logs. These targeted checks rapidly reveal the most common mesh problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.